How to use Android Accessibility Suite for temporary disabilities. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today in this video, I will teach you on how to use Android Accessibility Suite for temporary disabilities. So now let's get started. First of all you need to do is install Accessibility Suite. For that, open the Google Play Store. Now search for Accessibility Suite. If the app is already installed, it's okay, but if it is not installed, tap on Install. The Accessibility Suite offers various tools for temporary disabilities, including TalkBack, Select to Speak, Accessibility Menu, Magnification Gestures, and Switch Access. So to activate these features, all you need to do is go to the settings on your device. Now navigate to Accessibility. Now turn on the features that suit your temporary disability, such as magnification, voice feedback, or simplified navigation. These features help you use your device more easily if you are experiencing temporary issues like a hand injury or vision impairment. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.